In this video, I'm going to explain about the new unified cross-connect ordering experience and how to place the order with Digital LOA file upload. We have integrated Digital LOA service in cross-connect and currently live in production. This process increases the efficiency of classic LOA file upload process and ordering view. Also, this will offer an optimized, easier and better way of completing the order by auto-fulfilling the G-side information through the Digital LOA token or file. Once you log into the ECP portal, you can go to the Cross Connect order through navigation, select the colocation, then Cross Connect. Here you can see a new tile Cross Connect with Digital LOA. Once you click on this, you find 3 ways to place an order. In this video, we will discuss on the Upload Digital or Standard LOA option. Once you click on this, you can upload the required Digital LOA file from your local drive or server. After the file is successfully added, click on Next. Then you can view the G-side information has been updated in this order summary. You have to fill the G-side information, A-side information you can change if you require, or you go ahead and select the A-side IBX. After that, click on the Assign Port Information. Here you can proceed to select all the asset details in the connection configuration page. If you prepare to select the Patch My Equipment and Add Cross Connect Light Link Verification, you have to select these checkboxes. After that, you can click on Next Connection and repeat the same process of adding the A-side details in the connection configuration section. Once the selections are complete, you can click on Confirm Selection. This will update the record on the connection details section. If you wish to edit or delete the record for connection 1 and 2 for the A side, you can do so by clicking on these icons. Once this is complete, you can provide additional information either in the notes section or can upload a file if you wish to provide any additional information to the Equinix technician to complete your request. Click on Next to move to the scheduling section. This is a new calendar scheduling view which we have introduced part of August release. If you wish to get more information about the complete functionality, you can refer to our document repository. There we have a specific video related to new scheduling service. Once you select the date and the type of schedule, you can click on Next. Please verify all your contact information like ordering, technical and notification contact. If you wish to add any new contact information either from the directory or by creating a new contact information, you can do so by clicking on this hyperlinks. Click on Next, which will take you to the order review page. Here, this has a consolidated view of all the data that has been selected part of this order process. The connection details, additional details, contact information. If you wish to edit any of this information, you can do so by clicking on the edit button. It will redirect you to the respective section. Before you proceed with the order submission, you must accept the terms and condition. Once you click on the I accept checkbox, you can proceed to do the submission. If you want to download a summary of the order, you can do so by clicking on this download summary link. It will generate a PDF format and download it to your local machine. Then you can proceed to do the submission. Once the order is submitted successfully, you will see the order number that has been generated and reported here. Also, there is a link which we can click and track the order in the order history page. This is the demo related to the order with Digital LOA file upload. Thanks for watching.